Namaste and welcome. My name is Marcel Groom. I'm your guide today. We're restoring balance with a short visualization. You can either lie down or sit. If you're sitting, make sure your feet are rounded comfortably. If you're lying, make sure your arms are lying next to your body and the palms are pointing towards the sky. Take an inhale all together. And as you exhale, imagine roots growing into the earth from your body. These roots are there to nourish you. If you're sitting, feel how the roots are growing into the floor through your feet. If you're lying, feel how these roots are growing from all of your back, even your head. Wherever you are touching the floor, feel the gravity that brings the roots towards the earth. Inhale again. And as you're exhaling, feel how these roots are growing deeper. These roots are going to nourish you, rejuvenate you, and give you the energy that you can use for challenges, for whatever lies ahead in your beautiful life. Now imagine these roots are connecting to different kind of roots from other beings, and they're starting to form a network that trades, exchanges nutrients that you might be missing. So you are giving from a thing that you have plenty of, and you receive back in return something of incredible value for you, because this other being has plenty of that value, that nutrient. So you can exchange and balance another being, and this other being is balancing you. And there are many different kind of root systems, and you're just connecting with a few of them. And then there's similar beings where you don't exchange as much. And then there are beings that are very different, where you're exchanging very much. Try to come into contact with this root system, supporting you and nourishing you completely. Allowing it to work and rejuvenate you. This is a visualization. However, it creates important and nurturing information for you in your life, you can feel nourished, rejuvenated by doing this practice. You are nourished. You are giving something and you are receiving something in return. So this practice in itself is this root system. It is nourishing you at this very moment. Allow this visualization to relax your entire being. Feel how gravity allows your roots to grow deeper and your body to relax even more in even deeper state. With every breath, feel that you can surrender deeper. Feel that you are nourished deeper. Feel that you're exchanging nutrients that are able to profit yourself, but also see how others are profiting as you are doing better in your life. See how others are profiting as you are doing better in your life. And I mean family and friends. People that like if you do well. Humans that care about you. And you care about them. See how taking care of yourself is affecting others in a positive way as well. Here you realize that your practice is not just for yourself, but for others too. Here you realize that it is really important to make time for yourself, to take the time for yourself. If this is what taking care means for you, what taking care of yourself means for you, make sure to rest in this space for 2 more breaths. And here you're invited to start to move your body slowly again by starting to move your fingers, your toes, your wrists, your ankles, your elbows, your shoulders, your knees, your hips, your entire body. Open your eyes whenever you're ready and welcome back. May this practice be a supportive quality to you. Make sure to check out more of my recordings. Abundant love and blessings. Namaste. And don't forget to leave a comment.